have had so many complaints of those who are too big, too fat. You want to slim down, you want your tummy to be flat. So I want to give a good natural remedy. I want to give a good natural treatment that will bring down your tummy. A good natural treatment that will make you to lose weight within 2 weeks. As in, when I say 2 weeks, as in 2 weeks. A good treatment that will, within 2 weeks, you'll see that maybe if you follow, like if you add with dieting, you will lose like 10 kilos. It is very, very possible. Yes, if you add a little exercise and dieting with this remedy that I'm giving you, you will lose weight. It is rapid weight loss. Yes, so just follow me as I'll be introducing the different items that you're going to use for your weight loss. So we have 4 items here. You'll be needing 4 items for your weight loss. The first one is your guava leaf. Is it guava leaves? And it's good that you get the young leaves. If you look at these ones, they are still the young leaves. Don't go and get those ones that are already dry and strong. No, get the young leaves, the young guava leaves. We also have our ginger. All of us know ginger is very, very good. You cannot do any weight loss without including ginger. Yeah, ginger is very, very good for weight loss. We have our lemon, this lemon, and we also have oregano. I know that most people don't know oregano, but if you're into herbs, you know oregano. We also have our oregano. So these are the 4 items that you need for rapid weight loss. When I say rapid, it's rapid weight loss. So how are we going to use these items? You get your guava leaves. You can get like, let me say 2 handfuls of guava leaves. You get in guava leaves like 2 handfuls, the young leaves. You get your ginger. You can just wash it like this and slice and cut it to pieces. So if you like to peel the back, you peel. But it's preferable to just leave it like that. Just wash it, leave it with the back. You cut your ginger into pieces. You look for a pot. Let me see that pot. You put like 1 liter of water. You get a pot. You put 1 liter of water inside. You get your 2 handfuls of guava leaves. You wash them and put it inside. You get your ginger. You add it inside. You can get this quantity of ginger. This quantity like this is okay for 1 liter of water. You put it inside. You get your oregano. You measure 2 tablespoons. A tablespoonful 1, a tablespoonful 2. You add it inside water, and you get your lemon. You wash it very well. You cut it with the back. 2 lemon. You cut 2 lemon into pieces with the back, and you put it inside the pot. You boil for 5 minutes. You boil it for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes, you strain. You allow it to get warm, and you drink 1 glass in the morning, 1 glass in the evening, 1 glass in the morning, 1 glass in the evening. Yes. Within 2 weeks, you see drastic changes. Yes, your weight will reduce. It's rapid. So, but I always encourage that you include exercise and dieting, a little exercise, because it's not good to lose weight without exercise. Yes, at least exercise your body so that your body will be firm while you are losing weight. Not that you just allow your body to, because when you lose weight, especially this rapid weight loss without exercise, you might have this sagging skin. I always say if you don't allow your skin to sag, you have sagging skin. So make sure you do a little bit of exercise, even if it's just jogging, something that will bring out sweat from your body. Make sure you sweat. Yes, and you can include dieting in more fruits and vegetables. Don't eat too much carbohydrate. Make sure you take a lot of fruits. Make sure you take a lot of vegetable, and then don't eat to be too full. For those who are looking for flat tummy, make sure you don't eat to be full. Like eat a bowl of food, and that your stomach is full and you drink water. No, that weight loss will not go. Eat in portions. Eat in small portions. Portion control, so that you will not be too full. Yeah. So when you follow all those small rules, and while taking this treatment, your results will be great. You have great results. You have rapid results. Yeah. So this is rapid weight loss therapy that I've given you. Try it out and give your testimony to this channel. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, as I said. Make sure you turn on the notification button so you will be notified anytime I come up with a new too. Thank you guys for watching.